must stay the same. The hands of time won't rust in the rain. There are some hard times for us all. Well, I'm holding on, hoping I don't fall. Future's covered by a haze. All I could see on my yesterday. Well, my guitar strings are rusty, not a penny to my name. And one who says that he's my friend says things just ain't the same. So we went back up to Canada to find another way. When he left it was displeasing, Lord. He left in the pouring rain. There's some hard times for us all, baby. Lord, I'm holding on, hoping I don't fall. The future's covered by a haze. All I can see on my yesterday. Is echoing deep within my brain. She says that I've disgraced her, given her an ugly name. The sun is high on dirty weed, is what the neighbors say. And now he's picking guitar and she still blames herself today. There's some hard times for us all. Lord, I'm holding on, hoping I don't fall. The future's covered by haze. All I could see on my yesterday. All I could see on my yesterday. All I can see on my yesterday. Where do I even begin to explain? See, I regret the sorrow, the anger and pain. Some dead-end road to nowhere, I'd hitchhike just the same, with some moral obligation for driving you insane. I had to step off to get on with my life. I stepped off, baby, back into daylight. Said time was wasting, time to get it right. Step off, baby, step off tonight. How many times I loved you, how many times you cared. Friendships disintegrated, yeah. Now bring all arms to bear. Try to believe in something that turned to be untrue. And surely only one thing, baby, was left for us to do. We had to step off, get on with our lives. We stepped on, baby, back into daylight. Sometimes the right thing just don't seem right. Well, step off tonight, baby. Oh, yeah. There she was, standing in the night air, oh so fine. And there she was, with her eyes shining bright like diamonds, with her lips just glistening and her hair so bright. She'll take your breath away like some angel of the night. With a touch of her hand, she'll take you far away. And there I was, like some helpless, foolish child. Weak, but still so wild. Well, just dreaming about this baby, far away from this hell. Come on through, honey, and cut me out of this shell. Let me feel that feeling I remember so well. Well, all thoughts now grew as one.